Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where we can make some important adjustments. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game files and updates. Now scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside this option, click Clear Cache. This step is important because corrupted cache files can sometimes interfere with game launches and cause crashes. After clicking it, a confirmation window will pop up. Go ahead and click Confirm to clear the cache completely. Next, head back to the upper left corner and click Library. This will bring up your list of games. Now, I don't actually have Subnautica 2 in my library list, but I'm going to show you the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Subnautica 2 installed so you can follow along exactly. Right-click on Subnautica 2 in your library, then select Properties from the menu. This opens up the game-specific settings. Look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, toggle this option off. Turning off Steam overlay can actually help resolve the crashing issue because the overlay sometimes conflicts with game processes and causes instability. Now look for launch options. Below it, you'll see a text field. Click on that text field and type -DX11. This forces the game to run using DirectX 11, which is more stable for many systems and can prevent crashes related to graphics rendering. In the left panel, click on Installed Files. This section lets you verify and repair your game installation. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all your game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing. Wait for this process to finish completely. Once it's done, restart Steam and try launching Subnautica 2 again. You also need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes. Head to your GPU manufacturer's website, download the latest drivers, and install them. After updating, restart your PC to ensure the new drivers are properly loaded. If the game is still crashing after all these steps, there's one more thing to try. In the upper left, click Steam, then select Exit to close the application completely. Now right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can resolve permission issues that might be causing crashes. And that's it, you've tackled the most common fixes for Subnautica 2 crashing on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.